ka bakit lagi pinipilit David Doyle at kinamin na hindi mo mapipili cause ako'y above the limit Hindi na gusto nang sumabay Cause they think I walk better pag may nakakabay Please don't wish cause I know you can resist this You don't wanna miss pero check my name Chris Don't get me wrong happy to be so strong You can also join me my work where you belong Sadya ka na kung hindi ako basta mapasusunod I'm a hustler, I'm my own master Di mapapaluhod kahit wala akong gawin Lagi pa rin napapansin I guess I'm the center of attention But no, I'm not desperate in case you don't know yet You want me ever ready for me So please don't pick me Let me guess, I sing it, di mo pa rin guess Di ako uhaw sa himas, just like a man But I can buy and squash if I want I'ma do whatever it takes, yes to it The world is like a jungle, but I am the king Running with the pride, and my back is so weak Gonna keep it to my enemies, but still on fire Gonna stay, yeah, I'ma take you higher Don't get me wrong, happy to be so strong You can also join me now, where you belong Sadya ka na kung hindi ako basta I'm a hustler, I'm my own master Pero pala akong gawin Lagi pa rin mapapansin I guess I've already got enough attention Hello, I'm not desperate in case you don't know yet You want me ever ready for me So please don't pick me Don't pick me Babagabang hinihinamig na pinagalingan Kaya ating tatanungin kung pipiliin pa rin I'm just making sure you can handle me Sigurado, di ba nanyahado? If you're gonna choose me, ang pilong Sa akin kumapit, maybe the be let go Tara! All the generations on my back Know you want this and I know you want that Pinag-ibig na, tanong sumama ka Do you dare to be me? Patience on my back Know you want this and I know you want that Pinag-ibig na, tanong sumama ka Do you dare to be me? Grabe. Talaga to. So yun po guys, yung pinerform po namin ng aming debut song na Don't Pick Me. Available na po yung music video niya sa YouTube ng Arcana Studios and make sure po na i-stream nyo rin po siya sa Spotify and sa lahat po ng music streaming platforms. Thank you po.
Alrighty, thank you so much guys. That's Gen Z!
Thank you so much po. Thank you so much.
Okay, so I would like to request that you stay on the stage first because nice and middle guys. Like ano kami, doon ka girly. Alright, ayan. Sige, go! Hello po! Alright! That is Gen Z. Ngayon, nasa aking palad na. Naalala nyo kanina sinabi namin meron tayong meet and greet. Yes, ayan. Meet and greet and photo op. Yes! Nag-register kasi kayo syempre sa Stanley. No? Alright, nandito sa kaway ko ang mga nanalo. Ayan. Yes, how many winners do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 winners ang ating makakasama dito on stage.
On stage?
To meet Gen 6 and have a photo with
Ayan,
them.
nandito yung number. Ayan, number ng inyong mga ticket. Ayan, ticket numbers. Alright, let's start. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's start with 501.
Ang daming zero. Oh, so yan ang first buyer ng ating ticket, di ba? 000.
Stanley ako.
Sa ang unang nag-register sa Stanley app.
Stanley app. Thank you so much, Stan.